head. Mama, wake up. Wake up there, wake up.
Leave me alone.
Wake up. Weaver, get up. Come on. Where are we, lads?
God, 5 more minutes, like, please. Thank you.
That door.
Oh no, it's locked. Glacial, you go.
Oh no! What's that there? Guys, it's the phone. It says you all have been poisoned. Soon you will find the cure. It's by Anonymous.
So we've all been poisoned?
What do you mean?
Great,
I don't know.
we've been poisoned. Just our luck.
It's day 3. We're all hungry and starving. See this video, please, and please try and find our location.
Well, we need to have a plan at least.
Yeah, what plan?
A plan to get out of here, Bartek.
Big Weaver, the door's locked. No other way out. How are we supposed to get a plan to get out of here? We need... Where could we find something? We checked this whole area from top to bottom.
Bartek, we're technically trapped in here. Well, what's the point in looking? We need to have a plan.
Are you okay?
What do you think? We've been stuck in here for 3 days now. Are you okay?
I'm great. We've been trapped here for 3 days. I'm fine.
Alicia, did you read this? Now, what are we gonna do?
I found something. The cure is in the food.
Alicia, you shall come with me.